Hi, and welcome to the OCC Transfer Center virtual workshop. This virtual workshop is on getting ready for UC transfer. Workshop goals. Are you ready for UC transfer? At the end of this workshop, you will understand the minimum admission requirements for a UC and when they need to be met. You'll be able to identify transfer options and tools to assist with your transfer application, such as TAP, TAG, Assist, etc. You'll be able to identify at least one next step to take in preparation for UC transfer. Here on the map, you can see that we have 9 UC campuses in California. Close to OCC, we have UC San Diego, UC Irvine, UCLA, UC Santa Barbara, and UC Riverside. Up north, we have the remaining 4 UC campuses. We have UC Santa Cruz, UC Merced, UC Berkeley, and UC Davis. These are the 9 undergraduate UC campuses that you can apply to. And in order to apply to these UC campuses, you want to understand the basics for UC transfer. At the bare minimum, you need to have 60 transferable units, as well as a minimum of a 2.4 UC transferable GPA for California residents and a 2.8 for non-residents. You want to make sure to review minimum GPA to be eligible to apply for each major and average GPA for those admitted. For the 60 transferable units, those 60 units consist of major prep courses, GE courses, and potentially electives. Major prep courses, aka major preparation. Depending on your major that you have chosen to transfer, you will have specific major requirements for the particular major and school that you are considering applying to. And these major prep courses need to be completed prior to transfer. You can visit each campus transfer admission website for minimum major prep requirements. You can utilize and view assist.org for articulation agreements between colleges to see what the major prep courses are. GE, also known as major education, you can utilize and complete IGETC or CalGETC. At the very minimum, you would be required to complete the UC 7-course pattern. The UC 7-course pattern consists of English composition, critical thinking, 1 math class, and depending on your major, you might be required to complete more than 1 math class. And the remaining 4 courses that they're paying attention to are 4 courses within the areas of arts and humanities, social behavioral science, and physical and biological science. Some of you might be completing the full IGETC. And IGETC is a GE pattern for any student who started prior to fall 2025. And we have a new GE pattern called CalGETC for any student that has started their community college experience in fall of 2025 and moving forward. If major prep courses and GE courses do not add up to 60, that is when elective courses come into account. If needed, you might want to take additional UC transferable courses to reach the overall 60. Most students might not get to this option because most students with major prep and GE, they add up to 60. How do I become a strong applicant? Completion of major preparation courses, completion of minimum general education courses, maintain a competitive GPA, complete language other than English, also known as LOTE requirement. Language other than English, LOTE. Familiarity with a language other than English may be required by most UC majors. You may have completed it by passing score on an AP or IB language exam while in high school, successfully passing 2 or more years of a single language while in high school, completing a language course at OCC, and attended school abroad, and the language of study was not English. For this last one, you want to visit the Transfer Center for details. A tool that can be utilized is assist.org. And this tool helps you find articulation agreements between each campus and major. And you can compare assist alongside each campus, transfer admission website for minimum major prep as well. Here is how assist.org looks like. You're going to want to, for articulation agreements, view OCC, and then select the UC campus you are looking for. Once you select the campus, then you can click View Agreements. Assist.org is a website that everyone can use and is not specific to counselors. To check UC course transferability, you can utilize the OCC catalog to view courses and if they are transferable to either CSU and or UC. This is how our OCC catalog looks like. You can view courses right up here, A through Z, to search each class if you're interested in learning if it transfers to a UC campus. You can also use assist.org. Right next to articulation agreement, it will allow you to view transferable courses by searching OCC and then selecting UC transferable courses. And all the UC transferable courses will appear. Another tool that can be utilized is a Transfer Admission Planner, also known as TAP. It is a free tool to help students track and plan their coursework and is used by all UC campuses. Option to import TAP content into your UC application will actually come in at a later time. And the TAP account is required for the TAG application. This is one that students can get confused with the TAG application. The Transfer Admission Planner, also known as TAP, is something that you can begin at the very beginning of your time here at OCC and continue to use it throughout. For those students that are eligible for the UC TAG application, you will be required to fill out the TAP account in order to submit the TAG application. Additional UC transfer options. We have the dual admission program, and this is specifically for freshmen selected for conditional admission guarantee to a UC campus with a TAG program. We have the transfer admission guarantee, TAG, like mentioned earlier. you do need to meet specific TAG requirements to guarantee admission to a particular UC and major. And unfortunately, only 6 out of the 9 UC campuses participate in this TAG option. We have the Transfer Pathways and Pathways Plus, a roadmap to prepare for your major requirements, Pathway Plus, and TAG to one campus if you qualify. And here at OCC, we have the Honors Program. You are able to earn OCC Honor Certification for admission priority consideration through UCI's Honors to Honors Program and UCLA Transfer Alliance Program, also known as TAP, but not to be confused with the UC TAP account. Grade repair options. Have any D's or F's or NP grades that you're concerned about? Well, we have some options for you. Course repetition would be the first one. This means if you repeat a course and pass it on your next attempt, the final grade is factored into your GPA, and your previous grade will be excluded from your GPA. This is a suitable option if you need the class as a major prep course, you want to repeat for GE/elective, you had a good grasp on the content and feel confident you can pass. If you're not planning on repeating the course, then maybe academic renewal, the second option, might be more suitable for you. This means requesting to exclude up to 30 units of substandard grades from being factored into your GPA. You can only request twice within the district, has additional requirements, which we recommend for you to connect with a counselor to talk about if academic renewal is the right fit for you. Suitable option if you don't plan on repeating the course, you don't need it for your major, general education course, and or elective course. Here is an overview of the fall transfer timeline. When we start a new school year, at the very beginning, we have the UC TAG application that opens up between September 1st through September 30th. For students that are eligible to apply to the UC TAG, you need to submit the TAG application during this period. If you're interested in learning more about the TAG program, we highly recommend you attend a UC TAG workshop and or PIQ workshop during this time. And you'll be able to submit a TAG or PIQ review request through the OCC Transfer Center. Once the TAG application has closed, starting October 1st, the UC application opens up for fall admission consideration for the next school year. The application typically opens up October 1st and it closes November 30th. You are welcome to attend a UC application workshop during those 2 months. Once the application has closed, our fall semester is coming to an end, and by mid-December, we are done with fall semester and waiting for fall grades to be submitted by instructors. Once we come back in January, we will have those fall grades, and the UC will be sending you an email requesting to complete the transfer academic update. And what that means is that they want for you to log back into the UC application to update your fall grades that you received and make any changes to your spring schedule that you listed in your application, if applicable. You can also petition to graduate if applicable, and those are for students who are earning a degree here at OCC and or earning a certification such as iGETC or CalGETC. You can also attend a UC Next Step workshop during the spring term. And once that has been completed, we wait until the month of April to await for admission decisions to be made. And throughout the spring term, you might be receiving emails and other deadline notifications for the different UC campuses you have applied to, requesting different things. And so paying attention to your emails is extremely important throughout the process. Suggestions for next steps. You want to check your progress. Review your progress is required major preparation and general education, including English and math. Calculate your UC transferable GPA in units. Be sure you earn at least 60 units by the end of spring term before transfer. Make sure any official external transcripts and AP/IB scores are on file at OCC for review. Meet with an OCC counselor early to discuss ed planning and transfer requirements. Create a TAP account. This is the UC TAP account. Manually add all of the classes you took here at OCC. Be sure to add classes from another university or college if you attended one. That includes Coastline and Golden West. And add any AP and or IB scores if applicable. When you're ready to apply, you'll have the opportunity to import your TAP information into the UC application. If interested in TAG, review the TAG website and TAG matrix for eligibility. Meet with a counselor to review TAG requirements and ed planning. Attend a future OCC Transfer Center TAG workshop. The following campuses participate in TAG for selected majors: UC Merced, UC Davis, UC Santa Cruz, UC Santa Barbara, UC Irvine, and UC Riverside. Unfortunately, like mentioned before, it's only 6 out of the 9 UC campuses. If interested in the honors program, check out the honors program website here at OCC. Request program information and apply for the program, and then meet with an OCC honors specific counselor for ed planning. And that will conclude our workshop for today. Please visit us at the OCC Transfer Center by coming to Watson Hall, room 215, or give us a call if you're interested in scheduling a counselor appointment with a transfer counselor. You can check out other events such as workshops, meeting with a UC rep, attend a campus tour, and join our Canvas community through our OCC Transfer Center website. Thank you so much for joining me today.